Hi guys, thank you for clicking on this video. This is a tutorial showing how I got this messy, effortless look, double flat twist bun style using all products by Flora and Curl. Okay, so starting on old hair, this is about week old braid out hair. It's looking a little dull, not feeling very moisturized anymore and not very defined anymore, so it was time for a wash. Before applying any product, I make sure that my hair is completely soaked. My hair is quite thick, so it does take a while for my hair to get completely soaked in water. So I just kind of split my hair, massage the water in, squeeze it in to make sure that it's soaked all the way through. The shampoo that I'm going to be using is the Flora and Curl Organic Rose and Honey Cream Shampoo from the Hydrate Me range. As you can see, it definitely has a creamy consistency. I describe this shampoo as a lightweight, creamy shampoo, which gives a gentle cleanse and a light lather. It doesn't foam up as much as other shampoos, but it does foam up enough that it makes me feel like my hair is completely clean. And once I do rinse the shampoo out, my hair feels completely cleansed, my scalp feels really nice and soothed and clean, ready to move on to my conditioning. The conditioner that I used is the Flora and Curl Organic Rose and Honey Cream Conditioner, also from the Hydrate Me range. Can we just take a moment to talk about the size of this conditioner? This is a 1 litre conditioner. Just for comparison sizes, I want to show you the shampoo next to it. This is so handy because I don't know about you, but I always run out of my conditioners way before my shampoos. So Flora and Curl have solved that problem by providing 1 litre bottles of conditioner. What an absolute lifesaver. So onto the conditioner, I would describe this also as a lightweight conditioner, but not too lightweight where it doesn't feel like it's doing its job. It has a lot of slip and a lot of moisture. I think because it is so lightweight, my hair really easily absorbs all the nourishment and all the goodness from the conditioner. What I do is apply the conditioner, detangle all of my hair, and then tie my hair up in a little bun whilst I wash my body, and then I rinse the conditioner out before I get out of the shower. And this is what my hair looks like once it's freshly shampooed and conditioned. So on to styling. First, I use a leave-in conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner that I'm going to be using is the Flora and Curl Organic Rose and Honey Leave-In Detangler. This leave-in detangler gives me so much slip, as you would expect from the name Detangler. So much slip, so much moisture, and it also starts clumping my curls together, so it's literally the perfect leave-in conditioner. Moisture, slip, and curl definition. Literally, I couldn't ask for anything else from a leave-in conditioner. So to apply this, what I do is I just split my hair in half just to make sure that I'm covering all strands of my hair. So I split my hair in half, apply the product to the bottom half first, and just make sure that I rake it through with my fingers. As you can see, my fingers are just gliding through my hair with this product. Then I take down the top half and I do the exact same thing, focusing mainly on the ends, and then rake it through all the way to the root and just making sure that all strands are covered. Now that my hair is nice and moisturized and detangled, we can get on to braiding up my hair. Firstly, what I did is sectioned off 2 sections at the front, and we'll move on to that a little bit later. But what I'm going to do first is braid up the back of my hair. To do that, what I'm going to be using is the Flora and Curl Sweet Hibiscus Twist and Braid Cream from their Style Me range. If you have been following me for long enough, you will know that this is one of my all-time favorite products for braid outs and twist outs. I get guaranteed amazing results every single time. It's honestly one of the best products out there for braid outs and twist outs. So I highly recommend this. As you can see, it's clumping my curls together really nicely. This back bit of my hair is the loosest texture that I have on my head, but in just a minute, I'm going to show you how it works on a tighter and coarser part of my hair as well. So after I've applied the twist and braid cream, I just detangle that section and then braid it up. Okay, so this is that coarser section that I was talking about. It doesn't show as much right now because my hair is wet, but this section, when it dries, it shrinks way more than the rest of my hair. It's a coarser texture. It doesn't curl as much as the rest of my hair, and it doesn't grow as long. But as you can see, after I've applied the twist and braid cream, the curls are popping. This section of my hair is never usually this defined, but the twist and braid cream has really got some good definition going on there. So what I do is I just apply the twist and braid cream to each section, detangle it, and then braid it up. And in total on the back I have 7 braids. So I have 2 braids at the bottom, 3 braids in the middle row, and then 2 braids at the top. For the front 2 sections, because I don't necessarily need these sections to be super defined because of the style that I'm going to be doing once my hair dries, I've just done 2 chunky braids on each side. This is more so to get a nice stretch on my hair rather than for definition, which I will explain why a little bit later in the video. Okay, so it is the next day and my hair is completely dried. What I'm going to do first is just tie up the front 4 braids to keep them out of the way whilst I unravel the back of my hair. And what I'm going to do is work from the bottom up to the top, starting with the first braid, and I just gently unravel each braid. And as you can see, that twist and braid cream has my hair super defined. What I do to get a bit more definition is I gently pull on the ends, which makes my hair kind of naturally separate, and then I gently pull apart where the hair naturally separates to get some extra volume. And guys, look at the definition. Even after separating, the definition is popping. And then I just do that for all of the braids in the back. So I gently unravel, pull on the ends, and then separate to get a bit more volume. I do want to get rid of the partings, which you can see. So what I'm going to do is go in with my wide tooth comb and just pick at the root to get rid of the definite partings, just so that it falls better. And when I turn my head and if my hair gets caught in the wind, then you can't see the partings so obviously. Plus, this also gives me a little bit more volume as well. And then whilst I style the front of my hair, I'm just going to tie this back section back into a loose bun. Okay, so on to styling the front 2 sections. I'm just going to take down these braids, and as you can see, this is super defined as well, even though those braids were super chunky. So what I'm going to be doing is 2 flat twists into 2 messy buns. So first of all, what I need to do is just do a flat twist. This is why I wanted this section of hair to be nice and stretched, because I do find it quite difficult to flat twist on my hair in its completely natural state and its natural curl, because I get quite a lot of shrinkage, which means a lot of tangling, and yeah, it's just a nightmare. So doing this on stretched hair makes the process a lot more easy because it's nice and stretched and I don't get any tangles. Then once I reach the end of the section, I just tie that with a hairband to make sure that the twist doesn't unravel, and I do that on both sides. I style my baby hairs. This is obviously optional, but I just like to add a little bit to the style, and then I tie that down with a satin scarf for about 10 minutes. For the buns, I just grab some bobby pins, and basically what I do is grab small sections of the hair in the ponytail and then just kind of tuck them under and pin them in place with a bobby pin. And I just play with this until I get the desired shape and the desired look. This doesn't have to be tidy. The whole point of this is for them to be kind of messy, so I make sure that some curls are still poking out just to give it that nice effortless look. And then once I've done both sides, I take down the back half, shake it out, separate some curls even more if you want some more volume, maybe even go in with an afro pick or a wide tooth comb, and then this is the completed look. I'm obsessed with how cute these little flat twist buns are. I love how this looks. I love the kind of messy and undone look. Let me know if you'd rock this style and where you would want to rock this style. And if you try out these products by Flora and Curl, make sure you let me know how you get on with them. I'm sure you will love them as much as I do. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.